Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you a content creator feeling stuck in a rut, staring at a blank screen, wondering what your next YouTube video should be about? We've all been there. The pressure to constantly come up with fresh, engaging ideas can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a powerful tool that can become your ultimate brainstorming partner, helping you generate endless, irresistible content ideas that your audience will love? Today, we're diving deep into how you can use ChatGPT to revolutionize your content creation process and maximize engagement on your YouTube channel. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? Think of it as your personal AI assistant, a creative genius you can bounce ideas off of 24/7. It's a large language model developed by OpenAI, trained on a massive amount of text from the internet. This means it understands context, nuances, and different styles of communication, making it incredibly versatile for creators. Forget about those dreaded creative blocks. With the right prompts, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm video topics, script outlines, titles, and even thumbnail ideas. It's not about replacing your creativity, it's about amplifying it. Let's start with the basics. Generating core video ideas. The key to getting great results from ChatGPT is to be specific with your prompts. Instead of just asking "give me video ideas for a cooking channel," try something more detailed. For example, I run a YouTube channel focused on easy 30-minute vegan recipes for busy professionals. Can you give me 10 video ideas that are high-protein, budget-friendly, and perfect for meal prep? See the difference? The more context you provide about your niche, target audience, and content pillars, the more tailored and relevant the suggestions will be. Once you have a list of potential topics, it's time to validate them. You can ask ChatGPT to act as a YouTube strategist. Try a prompt like, "Analyze these 3 video ideas for my tech review channel. The ultimate smart home setup for beginners? Is the latest iPhone worth the upgrade? And top 5 budget laptops for students. Which one has the most potential for high search traffic and audience engagement?" Explain your reasoning. ChatGPT can analyze trends, search intent, and potential audience interest, giving you valuable insights to help you pick a winner. This step is crucial for ensuring you're investing your time and effort into content that people are actually searching for. Now that you've chosen a topic, let's move on to structuring your video. A well-structured video keeps viewers watching longer, which is a huge signal to the YouTube algorithm. You can use ChatGPT to create a detailed outline. Let's say your video is the ultimate smart home setup for beginners. Your prompt could be, "Create a detailed video script outline for a 10-minute YouTube video titled The Ultimate Smart Home Setup for Beginners." The outline should include a catchy hook, an introduction, 3 main points with subpoints, and a strong call to action at the end. ChatGPT will break it down for you, suggesting a hook to grab attention in the first few seconds, a clear introduction explaining what the viewer will learn, logical main sections like smart lighting, smart security, and voice assistance, and finally, a conclusion that encourages likes, comments, and subscribes. This saves you hours of planning and ensures your video has a logical flow. But we can go even deeper. Let's talk about crafting the perfect hook. The first 15 seconds of your video are the most critical. You need to grab your audience's attention immediately and convince them to keep watching. ChatGPT is a master of crafting compelling hooks. You could ask it, "Give me 5 powerful opening hooks for a video about overcoming procrastination." Make them relatable and intriguing. You might get back options like, "What if I told you that the secret to beating procrastination isn't about more discipline, but about understanding this one simple brain trick?" Or, "Are you tired of your to-do list mocking you from across the room? In the next few minutes, we're going to silence it for good." These are far more effective than a simple "Hey guys, today we're talking about procrastination." After the hook, you need to write the actual script. While you should always inject your own personality and voice, ChatGPT can provide a fantastic first draft. You can feed it your detailed outline and ask it to flesh out each section. For instance, based on the previous outline, write the introduction section for the smart home video. Make the tone friendly, informative, and encouraging for absolute beginners. It will generate a draft that you can then edit and personalize. This is a massive time saver, allowing you to focus on delivery and performance rather than getting bogged down in the writing process itself. Remember to read it aloud and tweak the wording so it sounds natural and authentic to you. Let's not forget one of the most important elements for discoverability: the title. Your video title is like a headline for an article. It needs to be clickable and optimized for search. This is another area where ChatGPT shines. You can provide it with the video topic and ask for title suggestions. A great prompt would be, "Generate 10 clickable and SEO-friendly YouTube titles for a video about the ultimate smart home setup for beginners." Include keywords like smart home, beginner's guide, and 2024. ChatGPT will give you a variety of options, playing with different formats like listicles, how-to guides, and question-based titles. You can then test these or combine elements to create the perfect one. And what goes hand in hand with a great title? A compelling description. The YouTube description is prime real estate for SEO and for giving viewers more context. Ask ChatGPT to write a description for you. For example, write a YouTube video description for the ultimate smart home setup for beginners. Include the main keywords, a brief summary of the video, timestamps for different sections, and links to relevant products. It will generate a well-structured description that helps both the algorithm and your viewers understand what your video is about, boosting its chances of being recommended. We've covered ideas, outlines, scripts, titles, and descriptions, but the brainstorming doesn't stop there. How about generating ideas for different content formats? Maybe you want to start a series. You could ask, I have a gaming channel focused on retro games. Suggest a 5-part video series about the history of Nintendo consoles. Or perhaps you want to create shorts. A prompt like, generate 10 ideas for YouTube shorts related to quick photography tips. Each idea should be demonstrable in under 60 seconds. This helps you diversify your content and keep your channel fresh and exciting for your audience. Another powerful technique is to use ChatGPT for audience research. Understanding your audience's pain points is key to creating content that truly resonates. You can ask ChatGPT to roleplay as your target viewer. For instance, you are a first-time homeowner who is overwhelmed by home improvement projects. What are your biggest questions and fears about DIY projects? What kind of video content would you find most helpful? This exercise provides incredible insights into the mindset of your audience, allowing you to create content that directly addresses their needs and builds a stronger connection. Let's talk about leveraging trends. Keeping up with what's popular is essential for growth. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm video ideas related to current events or trends within your niche. For example, if a new social media platform is blowing up, you could ask, how can I create a video connecting my marketing channel to the rise of this new platform? Brainstorm 5 unique angles. This allows you to tap into existing conversations and attract new viewers who are searching for timely content. It's about being relevant and joining the conversation in a way that provides value. Beyond individual videos, ChatGPT can help with your overall channel strategy. You can have a high-level conversation with it about your goals. Try a prompt like, I'm a personal finance creator. My goal for the next quarter is to increase my subscriber count by 20%. My current content focuses on budgeting and saving. What content pillars or video series could I introduce to attract a wider audience while staying true to my niche? This can spark new strategic directions for your channel, helping you think bigger than just the next video. Now, let's address a common concern. Does using AI make your content less authentic? Absolutely not. If you use it correctly, think of ChatGPT as a tool, like a camera or editing software. It's a collaborator, not a replacement for your unique voice, perspective, and personality. The ideas and drafts it generates are a starting point. It's your job to infuse them with your stories, your humor, your expertise, and your passion. The final product should always sound like you. Authenticity comes from the human element you bring to the table. To get the absolute best results, remember to iterate on your prompts. Your first query might not give you the perfect answer. Don't be afraid to refine it. Add more detail, ask for a different tone, or request a different format. For example, if the initial ideas are too generic, you can follow up with, that's a good start. But can you make these ideas more specific for an audience of college students on a tight budget? The more you interact and refine, the better ChatGPT understands your needs, and the more valuable its output becomes. In conclusion, integrating ChatGPT into your YouTube workflow can be a total game changer. It can help you break through creative blocks, generate an endless stream of tailored video ideas, structure your content for maximum retention, and optimize your titles and descriptions for discoverability. It streamlines the entire process from ideation to publication, freeing you up to focus on what you do best, creating amazing content that connects with your audience. So, give it a try. Start with a simple prompt, experiment, and see how this powerful AI assistant can help you take your YouTube channel to the next level. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, be sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions or your own tips for using ChatGPT, drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Until next time, keep creating.